Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. What are we doing today, Stacy? Well, polishing some brass. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even know that was there. We're polishing brass today. Got a couple old brass candlesticks, old and dirty. They've seen better days. And brass is like that fall thing. We got to have these out for Christmas and fall. So I want to get these polished up because it is time to put the booths together for September. I'm going to Owatonna during the September sale, but I will be working my hours on that Thursday and hoping that my booth does well while I'm gone. I've got a couple people looking in on it for me. The wax just pop off that. Okay, I gotta get the wax off the top of this. But I got these two really cute brass candlesticks made in India, I think. These are the ones made in India. Hang on. I don't see any Hallmark on them. They're cute. The last time I had brass candlesticks in the booth, they sold, of course. But they go for like 50 bucks online. And I think that's just outrageous considering I paid like 50 cents for these. Maybe a buck. I feel like a buck for them. I don't know. 50 cents a piece. And a young girl came in with her boyfriend in their first home and all that stuff. She got so freaking excited because I had like $15, $14 on my brass candlesticks. And she came up and she was telling me, do you know how much these go for online? Oh my God, I'm so excited. And she was just thrilled. So I'm like, it's just the cutest thing ever. So now I want to get some more polished up. I got some gloves. I asked Victoria for these gloves. She's got these in the basement for some reason. I want to set extra pair over here. But I don't want to get the polish on my finger. I'm using Peak. So this is one that we tried before. Worked great. Like I used it on a really burnt coffee pot. But this has a petroleum smell to it. It's very irritating to my skin, so I am going to wear gloves. It's good, though. You can tell because I bought a brand new tube of Peak. This is the product that everyone uses for their Pyrex that is scratched. And we tried it on that in that video, and it worked great. But since then, I used up the polish that I had. I had a smaller one on brass and other little projects. And so I do have this in my Amazon storefront, link below, if you want to try it. I think it works great, but it does have a petroleum smell to me, and I don't want it on my hands. So I'm going to wear a pair of gloves because, ew. My hands have been through a lot lately. I've been cleaning and cooking and bleaching and prepping for back to school and cleaning the house for locking it up for winter. So today they get a break. They're gonna be in a pair of gloves because it's been a lot. Ugh, I brought too much water in here. I forgot I had put this one in here, and then I can't be without water, y'all. Stay hydrated. I'm like a camel. This is the Peak. It's blue. I'm going to start down here on the base. I have not tried the hack where you put boiling water and aluminum foil. I don't know why. That just doesn't seem right to me. But we're going to get this all mushed on here real good. It's already working. Cover it here. Yeah, it's like Ugh. A petroleum smell. Ooh, start to work. It's already busting through. I have a few personal things that need a good cleaning and a good polishing, so it might be time for me to bust out my own stuff before the holiday season starts. I know I'm talking about it early, but you know what? Back to school means back to freaking thinking about it. Might be time to start doing some Christmas crafting, even though everybody's working on Halloween right now. You can already see the difference. I want to get these all cleaned up so that for the holidays, these will sell and somebody will have pretty brass candlesticks for their holiday collection. But this is like been on my, my doom pile list for a while, just to get these polished up. Because it's just elbow grease, y'all. It's just some work. This thing comes apart. What? I'm not sure if I just made my life easier or harder. Okay, well that takes that off there. Look at that. Easier. I feel like I need a toothbrush or something. I keep a toothbrush in here. Maybe I should grab the toothbrush. I'll keep a Dollar Tree toothbrush in here. Let me grab that. This is just a toothbrush I picked up at Dollar Tree to keep on hand for doing stuff like this. I think this helps see the difference. So the difference in cleaning these is that I get $6 for this set and I get, $20 for this set. So there's a price difference in cleaning it, and there's just, it's just time, which if I could charge for my time than what it was worth. But you can't. You just have to keep this stuff coming in and cleaning it up, and that's like 90% of my job, I swear. It's just cleaning linens and cleaning, because people don't know how anymore to clean these things. So yeah, it just takes a little elbow grease, but I'm going to, you can see, huge difference. I'm going to get these cleaned up and then we'll get them priced and in the booth, but this needs a final dry polish, which I will do after I'm done cleaning up this one so that I get all the last bits of the polish off. Both of them, I will take a dry cloth, not a disposable cloth, but an actual cotton cloth, and I'm going to buff these out one last time, but so dirty. Oof, you know what? I've washed these shirts so many times, it's starting to fall apart. I need to get myself some new shirts. And if you want to get a Happy Junkin' shirt, the links are in the description below. I also have a couple other shirt designs. You Had Me at Junkin'. That's a fun one with the truck. I like You Had Me at Junkin'. But I only have it in white, and I'm not a fan of being in the shop in white. Also, we've got the Second Mouse Gets the Cheese shirt. Can't miss that one. And if you go junkin' a lot, you got your Happy Junkin'. You got a Junkin' Buddy shirt too. Take your favorite Junkin' Buddy with you. These took an obscenely long amount of time. I stopped, took a break, had lunch, powwowed with the daughter, chatted with my daughter, and then had to come back and finish them. But they were worth it. They're so pretty now. They're all clean and shiny. Look how pretty they are. They're so cool. Somebody will be happy to get them. Anyway, I just don't like that. I still think I have to polish some of it off there. I polished them down. They're all pretty and bright and brassy, and like reflective. My child's out there making cookies. So when she goes back to school, she has cookies. She's so cute. She's so freaking excited about going back to school. So we've been meal prepping and getting the lunch stuff ready. And yes, I meal prep. For those of you who are like, oh, meal prep. Yeah, I meal prep. Everything in my house gets done on as easy as possible. So we are meal prepping, and I'm big on the crock pot meals, but I did learn to use the timer on my stove. So a few years ago, I had to get a new stove, and I love my new stove, but it had all the bells and whistles, and I didn't know how to use them. And then one day I went, why does that say timer? Hang on, yep. Thank you.
I wasn't sure if you needed it.
I don't think this is what I need, but thank you. Love you. Freaking Amazon ruined my weekend plans. I have a product coming in, and I told Victoria about it. Nope, that's not it. That was going to be for a video for you guys. It was trying a new product. It's not new, but it was suggested that I try it, and I wanted to this weekend, and it takes like 24 hours for it to work. So I needed a weekend to do it for you guys, and now they've messed up. Anyway, this is not it. So that's it. This is what I'm doing today. This is my project for the day. But yeah, we're meal prepping. We're getting things ready. I'm big on the crock pot meals and one pot meals in general. Anything that's quick. If I can toss it in the morning, put it on low, come home and eat my dinner. I've got a few of them on the blog, peonylanedesigns.com. Has a few of those recipes, including meatballs and gravy. Love that one. I gotta get some meatballs. I do have a meatball form, one of the silicone meatball forms. I just haven't made meatballs. So now at this point, I'm just gonna go buy meatballs. Meatballs and gravy is one of our favorites. But chicken, that's another one. We're easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.